third.
Now look at this. That's elegance. Beautifully placed. Beautifully picked. And this should run away.
Two straight. Picked off. Zarabani will do well to stop this one and does. Don't underestimate. Good over so far. Want to finish well. Short. Diaz good. And doesn't finish well.
It's only going to be the one. Let's see
what the batting coach has instructed. Just tucked away onto the leg side. Tanaka Chavanga just bowling two straight.
Oh, it's a good shot. Glorious down the ground. And full face. That is a thing of beauty.
He does. Well,
120
played. That is a quality cricket stroke.
Of the over number 26. Opportunity with the Afghanistan 136 for 1 at the end of.
Well, that's well fielded. He's definitely saved 3 runs there for Zimbabwe. And now hitting the stumps. Edison Kaya has given 1 back. And he's gone to another half century in one-day international cricket, Ahmad Shah. 100 in those runs. Total control. They're going to look to come back for 3.
For himself.
That's clipped away nicely as well. And unfortunately, the miss just parry it onto the boundary. Short and cut to the sweeper, just 1 from it in the over. 30 bowled, 154 for 1. As we saw in the first match, there have been some catches that have just been flawed. 1 to Ahmad and he hits it.
Leg spinner from Sikandar Raza. Easily maneuvered down to. Beautifully timed. The fields come in, of course. Bit of width offered by Tiripano. Tiripano, he won't get there. Hard. Back past the bowler. Despair. Got the outside edge and he's gone. 94 in the first ODI, 80 at Rehmat Shah. An opportunity to get another 100.
Delivery. Donald Tiripano has been guilty of bowling no balls. And it is indeed. It's confirmed a legal delivery, and what this means is Rehmat Shah once again has to depart before a major milestone. He will be livid. So many times in international cricket, Rehmat Shah has been caught, and he departs for 88 of 154.
ملګرو د افغانستان او د زیمبابوې ترمنځ چې لوبه روانه ده د لوبې درېیمه ورځ ده 240 منټې افغانستان تر دې دمه لري 2 لوبغاړي لاس ورکړي 124 منډو باندې رحمت شاه او په 1 منډو حشمت ولاړ ده ملګرو چینل درسره سبسکرايب کړئ لایک او شیر یې کړئ مننه